It's just the bit of surprise and delight that you want to offer your guests. Break out the glue gun. You can make this darling little turkey guy. You're gonna need one for each Thanksgiving person and their plate. Crafter Amy Latta has the cutest turkey place card to make this year. Amy, introduce us to this project.
Of course. So this is my little turkey friend. And like you said, you're going to want to make one of these for each person who's coming to Thanksgiving dinner so they know where to sit and they have something fun and festive that they can take home.
It's that little extra touch. So for the mom or even the grandma out there hosting, I think it's a great way to personalize it and still keep things light. Appropriate for the kid table too, right? He's got some colorful feathers going on.
Absolutely. The kids may even want to help create these.
How do we make these?
So they're really simple, and many of you might already have supplies in your craft stash. Most of what I needed for this, I already had on hand. So all you're going to do is take a wood slice, any size or shape, and you're going to give it some Google eyes, of course. Then you're just going to cut some red felt for that snood, which is what they call the little piece around the turkey's
Thanks for reminding me. I was literally just sitting here thinking, what's that called again? Okay.
Right. I did some research. The one on the neck is the wattle, and the one on the beak is the snood.
Look
so
at
this
you.
is the snood. I feel very informed.
Look at you. Okay.
And then I cut some orange felt for the beak, and you're just gonna, I used hot glue. You could use craft glue if you're working with little kids, but you're just gonna glue his face on. And then you're going to add feathers to the back. And you can see I used all different kinds of colors. If you want a more natural looking turkey, you can get browns and, feathers that look more realistic, but I like the bright ones. And you're just going to glue those on. Then we're going to take either pipe cleaners or wire and create feet. So all you're doing is you're shaping the wire so that it has 3 little toes and then making the leg extend up. And then we just glue that onto the back. And that's what allows him to stand on your table.
I think the feet are my favorite feature. That's so fun.
Aren't they fun?
Yeah.
Yes. So then you're just going to take the wire or pipe cleaner or whatever you're using and make a spiral on one end and then straight on the bottom. And we glue that on, and that's what holds the place card. Then you can create any kind of place card you want. I just cut Bristol board, which is like a heavy cardstock. And then I love to hand letter books. So I hand lettered everybody's names on there just with some markers. But any kind of place card you want can just go right down in that wire holder.
Super cute, Amy. Thank you so much. And I was sitting here thinking, in your turkey anatomy research, are they called feet? I don't know.
I would think so.
Back to Google.
I'm gonna have to Google that.
Back to Google. Thank you so much. A cute, quick, easy pickup project that will add that fun flair to your table. And before we say goodbye, you have a new book just out.
I do. It's called Doodle Everything. It has all kinds of holiday doodles, including turkeys and other fun festive things, and of course, lots of things for Christmas. So make sure you check out Doodle Everything, and then you can use those little drawings to decorate your place cards or gift tags and cards this holiday season.
Amy, thank you so much.